Hi, I'm Rob Madaska of Petrocelli College, and welcome to our orientation video series for the Office of Online Undergraduate Programs. Let's get started. Today's lesson, we're going to go in and we're going to show you guys how to basically log into Webcampus. Now, you can use any browser, but probably the two most recommended browsers would be Chrome and Firefox. So today we're going to use Firefox. So I'll get started. I'll double click it over here on our desktop right above the Fairleigh Dickinson University logo. How convenient. And here we're going to log in. You will go to the Fairleigh Dickinson website, which will be www.fdu.edu. So you'll type that in to the URL address window. Click on it. It'll bring you to our homepage. From our homepage, what we're going to do is you will go to Web Shortcuts. Web Shortcuts is located up on the top right-hand section. Click on Web Shortcuts. It will give you a list of choices. The choice that you will choose will be Web Campus. It will be third from the top. You will go over here and you will click on the Web Campus link. It will take you to the login for Web Campus. Now, when you log into Web Campus, obviously you can see my login name. You can't see my password, but you can see my login name. Your login name will vary, so you will type your login name there, and it will probably have, after the @ symbol, it will be at student.fdu.edu. Then you will type in your password, and you will click sign in. Hopefully it will go in and log in, and we'll have no issues. It should bring you to the Web Campus homepage. Once you get to the FDU Webcampus homepage, I'll give you a quick tour of basically what you can expect to see here. On the top left, you will see My FDU tab. Under My FDU tab, as you can see on the screen here, we will have a variety of different tabs, which include your tools, academic integrity policy, FDU library services. That will have hyperlinks here to the FDU library, which will help you do research and look up anything you might need for any of the courses that you would be taking. Scroll down, you can see FDU e-tutoring. Click here for more information. Again, it's available for specific courses, so you click on that just to find out more information, but again, know that it's there. You will see down here underneath editing, you will see the bookstore. Scroll down more, reporting students of concern, any information that would respectively be for you there. On the right-hand side, you will see My Courses. My Courses will contain all your courses that you would be here enrolled in at the university. So if you've been here for a semester or 5 semesters, your courses will all show up here. To go in and change any of the settings for your courses, you will want to go on the little pinwheel where it says Manage My Course Module Settings. Click on the settings, and it will allow you to go in there and deselect or select specific things that you want to have seen, or basically to hide because you're no longer in the course. So this is the My FDU tab. Next to it are courses. Underneath courses, you will have all the courses that you have or were enrolled in, and you will see the course list down here. So this will be another way to access courses, whether it be current or past. Next tab up top, Student Services. Student Services tab will have links to Web Advisor, Enrollment Services, again, the FDU Library Services, Getting Help. This is important because if you have any issues running into or trying to log into or get into Web Campus, the phone number and email address are up here. So you can utilize those basically to contact and try to remedy any issues that you might have. Academic Advising tab down here. Additional information, which has the Metro and Florham campus, but if you're in the online program undergraduate, you will be probably looking at the Metro campus information, and then if you are on campus, any public safety links that you would see below. So all of these are from Student Services tab. Next is the FDU Community Tab. In here, you would have any organizations that you would be a part of, but for you guys, it will probably not come into play for at least for a while. And then content collection, that would be any files that you may have uploaded to Web Campus. But we will go back to the My FDU tab. Click on the My FDU tab. It'll bring me back to the initial landing page. Here are my courses over again on the right-hand side. And the next video we will work in the series, this orientation series, will be actually going into your course shell and perusing and taking a look what would be there. Again, I'm Ron Madaska for Petrocelli College. and again for the Office of Online Undergraduate Programs. We'll see you next time.